Good morning, guys. It's Vic from MBS, and good to see all again from day 2 Delft Island. Where right now I am heading to the Delft Island beach, where I just wanted to show you guys the sunrise, and I just wanted to see the sunrise too. And yesterday I came here, and yesterday we had a great dinner and a party. So just thought to wake up, I just wanted to see my sunrise and this beautiful place where, and as per the Google, and today's sunrise around 6:21 or 6:30 or something, so it's like now around here 6 o'clock. So I just thought to come without t-shirts and without slippers, just feel the beautiful this sunrise and the windy vibes and the beach, that vibrations. You can see the behind how very silent and the green nature, sea nature, and the palm trees. So before that, I just wanted to talk about the Delft Island. Yesterday I couldn't give a brief update about it. The Delft Island, the name called Delft, which came from Portuguese. During the 15th century, Portuguese who ruled the Delft Island, they put name as Delft. So after that, I had a chat with a few people in here, and they told me the Delft, which mean that word came from Portuguese, and the Delft, which mean in the Portuguese like a coral place. So in Portuguese, so where that purpose they name as Delft in these islands, where you can see this kind of many coral stones and see in these islands. Yesterday too I show you some kind of wall designs, wall structures. Now you can see this is also some kind of a wall, which is with the coral stones. So that purpose they name as the Delft Island, and have another name called Nedenthivu. The Nedenthivu, which many Tamil community people telling that Nedenthivu, where after I just Google it and I just found it some information about this island. It's a 8 kilometer length and 6 kilometer width, where it's not just a small island, but comparatively in other islands we can see in Jaffna, but this is some longest island. So that reasons Nedenthivu, which called the longest island in Jaffna region. And other thing, Nedenthivu, some people are telling that when you from Jaffna to Delft Island or Nedenthivu, it will take a 1 hour journey by sea. So that reasons they are telling that the durations from Jaffna to here, longest durations. So that reason also some people are telling that Nedenthivu. So almost everything has some kind of reasons why they put the name, but that's great thing. Today I am right now here. They're going to be show you the beautiful beach and also the sunrise. We are now heading to the beach side. You can see a beautiful sunrise made by Sri Lanka, and I'm very happy about. I'm going to be show you guys. So without slippers, without t-shirts, that's a beautiful nature from the Delft Islands. So be with you guys, and I'm going to be explore this sea and the sunrise to you guys. beach and the morning view. Morning, see, water is very rough, and where you can see that vibe, and that windy, very strong, very rough, and there you can see the morning fishermen are going to their work. I just wanted to say happy working life, and be safe you guys. And also here you can see some of morning friends who are waiting with me to watch sunrise. And guys, okay, that people are going. So this is the unknown place in Delft Island, where you can see you and me and the GoPro action camera in this place. So no one with me right now. So we are heading to that corner and see what are the people doing in the morning time. So excellent things. Yeah, you can see the blue white color waters are. Wonderful. It's great. So guys, after a wonderful morning sunrise, and I'm kind of heading back to my hotels, where this is I am staying. A beautiful place, very simple and very low price, and the people who coming to Delft Island, you can choose this place, are very good people. They are that staff and the whole crew, and the environment too are very calm and no disturbance. And where you can see the beach very near to this place, and we can go by just with our slippers. You can go, so no issue with that. So no traffic or vehicles in this place. So now I'm heading back to my hotel. Still some of people are sleeping, so they don't want to see the sunrise. And you can see one friend is sleeping here, and the other guy is just now wake up, and this is the see, this friend is sleeping well, so I don't want to disturb, but the way he's sleeping is very crazy. You can see a pillow and the chairs and some kind of a floor mat and with cycles, and he's sleeping. Man, this gentleman, enjoying his day. The morning day is a very fun manner. Great. Hi man, how are you? Good morning. No, still the guy don't want to wake up. Lazy fellow, man. Hello, why? Okay, so I don't want to disturb him, so okay, that's great. So where you can see your morning. That a beautiful sunrise, where you can see from my hotel, and you can see a beautiful sunrise if you don't like to go to beach morning time. And this side you can view a morning sunrise from this place too. It's a beach side where everywhere you can very calm and very a beautiful place. So well, today my plan, I have many plans today. Actually going to find and explore some unknown places in the Delft Islands, where I'm going to be travel with my travel partners, 1 or 2 people who came here and I just met few people in this island too. So be with me, guys, and I'm going to explore it, and I'm going to be share with you guys. And thank you very much.